Let's understand how to use have, has, and had in English sentences. Let's see some examples using have. 1. I have a car. 2. We have finished our work. 3. They have 2 dogs. Explanation. Have is used with I, we, they, and you for the present tense. It shows possession or completed actions in the present. Let's see some examples. Using has. 1. She has a beautiful house. 2. He has finished his homework. 3. It has been raining since morning. Explanation. Has is used with he, she, and it for the present tense. Like have, it also shows possession or completed actions, but it is specifically used with singular third-person subjects. Let's see some examples using had. 1. I had a bike when I was young. 2. She had already eaten before I arrived. 3. They had a great time at the party. Explanation. Had is used with all subjects, I, you, we, they, he, she, it, for the past tense. It indicates possession or completed actions in the past. Key differences. Have is used for present tense with plural subjects, I, we, you, they. Has is used for present tense with singular subjects, he, she, it. Had is used for past tense, regardless of the subject. I hope you now have a clear understanding of the differences between have, has, and had, and feel confident about how to use them in real-life situations. With this knowledge, you'll be able to express yourself more accurately when talking about possession or past actions in both everyday conversations and writing. But remember, consistent practice is key. Keep using these sentences in your everyday conversations to become more fluent and confident over time. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more quality content. See you in the next video.